What do you want? You can do and have anything you want. The only thing that is holding us back is our own belief. We don't believe that we can do it because that's what we've been told. That's my horse. We have been told that you can't do this, you can't do that from our parents and from everybody around us because that is what they have been told. For the generations it goes on like that. We are conditioned with that from really small babies, and it's very hard to let go of. But if you do, he wants to be on camera also. But if you do, if you're able to disregard what everybody else says, then you can have everything because what you believe and you're feeling that if you feel that you can do it, then you can because your feelings guide your actions and you don't have to know exactly what to do. You just have to believe it and want it, really want it. Because like I said, your feelings guides your actions and you just have to know or even not even know, you just have to take one small step at a time. That's how you get everything done. One small step at a time. So believe in yourself. You can have and do anything. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.